Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We got a car at our shop now, and we'll show you that's the car with the most computers we currently have at the shop and we currently own. BMW 745 Li 2003 model, guys. That thing is super complicated, easy to work on. If you have the diagnostic too, not bad at all, but if you don't, you're screwed up. So let me just show you guys how many computers that thing has. Okay, pretty complicated car. It has everything you can think of. It even has the massaging seats right here. So if you use maxi seats, that's unbelievable too. So what you can do, guys, you can just go ahead and scan everything. You can program, especially beamers. Okay, and this one we're going to go to manual selection right here, and we're going to select this one, which is 7 series right here, E65, E66 right here, 745 Li. So it will be this one right here. So let's go ahead and see how many computers we have. Okay, this one is early 2003 model, before March, so it will be this one right here. And it tells you, yes, we confirm. And let's go and connect to diagnostics now. You can do programming, keys, anything you can think of. Pretty smart too. Let's go to auto scan. Okay, and we're gonna give it some time and see how many modules we have. And some modules have some modules that will not even be displayed. It even has the privacy shades in the back that come out of the door and the back as well. Yeah, heated seats in the back, cooled seats for 2003. That was the best thing ever. Power steering wheel, heated steering wheel. You can see with a push of a button it goes up, down, a little bit squeaky, but we are going to fix that. So far we're at number number 16 right now. So let's see how many computers he has. Also it has navigation, of course, all that kind of stuff, dual climate control, automatic headlights. It has active cruise control, which measures the distance according to the vehicle in front of you, and it hits the brakes if somebody in front of you hit the brakes. It has soft closing doors. Check this one out. If you don't close the door all the way, okay, like that, it's going to close it for itself. So that's pretty smart right there, but at one point it will cost you an arm and a leg if you don't have the diagnostic too and know how to do things on that car, because eventually things will go wrong. No matter how good it is, eventually when it's complicated, things will go wrong, even if it's something minor, which the dealer could charge you quite a bit for fixing something or just resetting lights on it. So let's give it a few more minutes and see what we got. Right now we're at module 23, and you can see 23 has a rear compartment display. It has many sub-modules in it. Okay, so let's see what happens. We don't have any fault codes now. We had a problem. We let it stay for a long time. Battery was weak, and we had the airbag light on, and we diagnosed it. It was just a code because of the dead battery, low voltage. So we reset that, it fixed it. We have it on our channel. So we'll just see how many we have now. So it says we're 82% done right now. Okay, that's what we got, and battery is still a little bit weak. We're charging it and see if we have any problems with it, and I don't see anything, no codes. So that's pretty good for being so complicated. 83%, and we're on module 46, so which means we will probably have close to probably 50, maybe 51, I don't know, something like that, but it will be quite a bit. So yeah, there is always a possibility for something to go wrong. That's why those things are cheap. Okay, that thing new was probably close to $80,000. $80,000 car in 2003, guys, and now something like that you can sell it for about 5-6 in really good condition, about 6,000. So it's ridiculous. You can buy BMW 3 Series, E46, you know, which was about 2-3 times cheaper than this one new, and you can still buy it for the same price the same year. But that's one of the problems with it. It's really complicated, and after a while things start going wrong. We have one code in the, you can see in the passenger door, that we need to address and fix later. And we have a total of 54 computers, guys. That's the car with the most computers in our shop, so 54. That's quite a bit, okay? So that was just a fun video to show you guys how complicated that thing.
So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.